Here we see a warehouse worker making a critical safety error. Instead of walking around the conveyor system, he decides to step directly onto the moving belt. Within seconds, he loses his footing and balance. The worker slides backward down the belt until his legs catch on a crossbar, which could have caused serious injury. Fortunately, a colleague quickly responds to help. This incident highlights why shortcuts in industrial environments can lead to dangerous consequences. The forklift operator has fallen asleep at the controls, and his vehicle slowly drifts into the warehouse shelving. The impact triggers a complete structural collapse, sending tons of materials crashing down. This incident not only put the worker's life at extreme risk, but also caused significant property damage. Watch as this worker reaches for an orange scanning device on the moving belt. At exactly 12 seconds, his gloved hand becomes trapped in the machinery junction. The force pulls him forward violently, striking his head against the belt. Notice how quickly his colleagues respond. Within seconds, multiple workers rush to his aid, with one even jumping over safety barriers. A worker walks down the aisle while completely focused on a handheld device, unaware of his surroundings. From a blind corner, a red forklift enters the same aisle. Due to the pedestrian's distraction and the operator's limited visibility around the corner, neither sees the other until it's too late. The impact occurs at 34 seconds, knocking the worker to the ground. A worker in a blue uniform touches a massive suspended I-beam, causing it to swing dangerously. What starts as a seemingly minor action escalates quickly. At 55 seconds, you'll hear the sharp sound of rigging failure. The multi-ton steel beam plummets to the ground with tremendous force, creating a deafening crash and cloud of debris. Fortunately, the workers had stepped back to a safe distance,